Now the the Alt-ins, we added a new one, which is Control-Alt-ins, which allows you to quickly create classes, enums, etc. Okay, so anywhere in any code, you can just press Control-Alt-ins, hit class, and say, for example, employee2, and it will create an employee2 for you. Okay, that's something that you should do instantly. If it's a web project, then it will allow you to create a Razor file, a web file, etc. And when you open a Razor project in ReSharper 6, don't get scared, because it's going to have a lot of options. But you can actually customize that under, ReSharper Live Templates. Those are the file templates. What you've just seen there are file templates. Okay? And you can drag and drop them over here. You can delete them from here. And you can say, for example, in ASP.NET projects, well, I only use Razor now, so I don't want to have any of the web form ones. So when I hit Control-Alt-ins on a web project, I only want to be able to create Razor files. Okay, and what that will do is shorten the menu, because by default you're going to get a very long menu. Okay, so you should do that, and that does save over upgrades. Okay. Now the file templates, this is part of the family of live templates. How many of you use live templates? Right, so live templates are basically a way which allow you to create code snippets that you can interact with placeholders, and on top of that, it allows you to do macros. So you can apply macros to those placeholders. And file templates are the same principle, where it will generate a file and also allow you to interact. But we also have surround templates. So for example, if you want to surround the region with an if-else, I mean, I come here, or let's go to somewhere where there's some code. Okay, I want to take this guy, and let's say, for example, I want to wrap this inside a try-catch. I press Control-W to select it, Control-EU, and then I say, for example, 9, try-catch finally, and that creates a surround for me. And you can do it on one line or multiple lines. And again, here you can use the concept of live templates. One thing that you might not know is in these live templates, when I click on something here and I say choose macro, you can extend this. If there is a macro here that's not available, you can extend it. And again, on my blog or on the JetBrains blog, I've got a detailed post of how to actually create a macro, install it, and extend it to do what you want. Okay? The macro, there's also some macros out there which are very cool, which allow you to, when you're writing tests, often, if you're like me, I write my tests as sentences and use underscore. There is a macro that you can just write it as a sentence with spaces, and then it will replace it with underscores. Okay?